In this tutorial, we will create this cylindrical group in SolidWorks. Here is a cylinder and a group, the white color group, and this one is a cylinder. So how to create it? Let's create a new part file here. I'll select any plane, top plane, and sketch a circle here. Provide dimension, let's say 60. Now go to feature and extrude it up to 80 mm. Okay, I think the sketch is only 6. I have to make it 60. Exit the sketch and you will find this perfect cylinder. White background for the better visibility. Now go to front plane. Now we need a line here. So I'll draw a line here from this point to this point. Now let's dimension it from top edge to this. You can say 6. And from that point to here, again 6 is already defined. Now we have a special feature, type split, and select the split line here. Now the sketch is selected and you have to select the profile here to create the split on the cylindrical surface. Now it's perfectly done. Now go to feature and select a swept cut. Now you need a profile and the surface. This one is profile. I'll select this one and I'll select circular profile. Now click OK. Now you can see the cylindrical group. You can change the radius of the group. Keep it 6. Click OK. Now in this way you can create the cylindrical group, but here you can see the two profiles, the two surfaces. To make it single, you have to draw the line large enough to cover this cylindrical surface. For this we will delete this cut swept here and split line also. Delete this line. Now again go to front plane, normal, and sketch a line large enough to cover this cylindrical surface. I'm not dimension this line. You can dimension it from here to here and fully define it. What I'll dimension one thing from here to here 6, from this edge to line gap is again 6. You can extend it if you feel the line is not covering the whole cylindrical surface. Again go to feature, no, again search the split line, select split line and the cylindrical surface. Now again repeat the swept cut. Here select this as a profile, click. Now provide the radius and click OK. This one, click OK. In this way you can create the cylindrical group. Now the surface is single one. You can color them for the distinct visualization. Now this is a short and the quick tutorial for creating the group. You can use the wrap feature also, but you need different dimensions and the drawings in the front plane, and you can wrap it also. Thank you for your time and see you next time.